You're watching Win Online, and this is our series of product introductions in which we tell you how good our products are and why you should definitely buy them. So today I have for you a book series on science, which is called the Science Future Explorers. This is from grades 1 to 7, and it includes all the topics that are necessary for students to be learning in their respective grades. How do we know it includes all those topics? Because every single book has been crafted by using the core curriculum standards in mind. So at every level, like for instance, let's take a look at Science Future Explorer Book 4. Let's just take a look at the table of contents over here. So you'll see moving and growing, living systems, temperature, earth patterns, simple machines. So basically all kinds of things that they should be knowledgeable about at grade 4. At this grade, they should be knowledgeable about at this grade is available at this level. Now, what makes Science Future Explorer so good? Now, first of all, just take a look at how these covers look. Except for the 7th book, all of them have animals, and they're very beautifully integrated into the cover. So you see they're like the penguin's flipper is in the back, or the rhino's horn can be seen. So they're very beautiful books. They're all color coordinated, so every single one, so it's very easy to recognize and well. The art style is very colorful, very bright. There's huge spreads, and as you can see over here as well. So enough with this, let's get on with the content itself, like why you should definitely check this out. So before every unit, like for instance, this is the unit, The Young Scientist, you will get some unit objectives. As by the end of the units, what will the students be able to do? So these are all available here. And there's just a bit of a starter question, something to, just think about, ponder over things, right? Now, as we get into the actual content, so you can see very bright interface, but you may also be noticing that there's some yellow stuff. That's because the keywords are already highlighted for you. These are the main, this is the scientific vocabulary that they should be acquiring at this level. And all of that is already highlighted for you, as you can see. So answer, observation, hypothesis, plan, etc., etc. There are also smaller things, such as, for instance, the try it section, the you try it section rather, in which you do a tiny experiment on your own. For instance, this one's about a magnifying glass. So you move a magnifying glass closer, or bit difference, and see what happens. So carrying on with this idea, there are also fast facts, just some quick facts that some general knowledge based things. At the end of every unit, or you will also find either a project or some kind of class activity that will be connected to what you have been learning. So for instance, look at this. This is the observation, write your hypothesis here. And there's an entire experiment that they have designed for you, and which you can already do. Throughout the book, there are also helpful website links, and there are also other supplementary things. You will find it within the book. You don't need anything else for it. If you've been paying attention, you will notice there's a CD-ROM in the corner right here. That is because this comes with an audio resource, a digital resource rather, as well. Every book comes with it, and you can buy it for the low price of $1 per year. That is minuscule. That is more than the price of more than the content that this book is delivering to you. It is way beyond that. So and the Science Future Explorer books also comes with a separate workbook, and you notice they're also thematically similar. The shades are somewhat same. Now, what is so special about the workbook? Well, all the exam related things, like for instance questions, answers that you might need, they're already present inside the book. So it's already ready made for you. But it gets even better. It keeps getting better and better. You might be wondering, how can it get better? Well, it just does. There is a self-evaluatory section in every book, in every workbook rather, which is called the My Checklist thing. in which students evaluate themselves. Have they understood that, for example, living things need food, water, and air? If yes, that's fine. If no, then the teacher can repeat that or maybe inform them a bit more, maybe clarify this. Similarly, we have keywords. Do you know what these words mean? If yes, excellent. If no, maybe the teacher can help. So this is a teacher's aid to focus on. There's some areas that might be lacking, and it is and through this, like for instance, there's more vocabulary as well. You can overcome those gaps. So the self-evaluation, of course, is excellent as well. And on top of all of this, there's a teacher's guide as well. You will get the teacher's guide if you get the digital resource. All of that will be available here. There will be model readings, there will be some activities, projects, everything you'll find in the digital resource. The Science Future Explorer is one of the best books you will ever encounter for science at any level. And this is a very comprehensive foundation. So do check it out, and stay tuned for more product introductions. But in order for you to do that, you need to subscribe to the channel, you need to like this video, and you need to comment down below what you liked and what you did not like. You've been watching Win Online. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.